Matt, there's 911R on Brain Trailer. We have this 75 Carrera. This car is really cool to me because I've known it for so long. I've probably known this car for 25 years. The client of mine that had this car that we sold last time, he bought it from his father, who bought it for me. This car has been the Consign Your Car his whole life till we sold it in the down big area. And now we are selling it again because he has a brand new GT3 RS coming in. So he needs a garage space. So he asked us to sell it again. That's the only reason why we have it. The car just won a car show up in the Northwest for the Porsche Club, the Concours. It did really well. This car was restored by Lauren Beggs at 911 Design. He did a bare metal respray on the car and a complete interior on the car. That's what really set this car apart. While the car was in Portland, for most of his life, it was owned by a Trans Am racer. He placed really high in Trans Am racing and Porsche in GTU, and this was his daily driver. Porsche guy through and through. So let's go around this car. And again, it's got a show quality paint job on it. We've done by 911 Design. I mean, there's zero orange peel, high gloss. It's just absolutely beautiful paint. I love that it still has the orange original hood badge. A lot of times the badges get replaced. That's the original look of the cars. It has RSR finished wheels. It has correct Pirelli tires on it. But what's really cool about this Carrera is, and there's lots of people that talk about this when I do talk about it, it has the pigskin leather. Originally, these cars had the blue-black, and you can't really find that material anymore. But when it got redone, it just got redone with pigskin leather that's all black in it. And it's beautiful condition. The dash is perfect, no cracks in it. This car has AC and it blows cold, which is really a big plus. In 75, it has the wheel tails. For the 74s, have the gut tail. I'm going to go ahead and go to the back of the car. So this car, these had kind of anemic motors when they came from Porsche for the US. They were just a 2.7 CIS. The guy again was a Porsche racer, and he was worked daily with Dick Eldred, one of the godfathers of Porsche air-cooled engine builders. And he pulled that motor out. He sourced a 77 3.0 motor, which again was one of the first of the aluminum case motors. And Dick did a 3.2 conversion Max Moritz short stroke in it. So this has a 3.2 short stroke in it, based on a 77 3-liter motor. Again, it's got AC that blows nice and cold, CIS, this motor rips. This car is really fun to drive. It was restored. They went through and did Bilstein suspension all the way around. The brakes were all rebuilt. Everything was redone on it. Again, it was a glass out respray, so all new moldings. But I love when you look at this car, the patina of how the moldings have aged in color and stuff. Because these were the early cars with the black moldings, and they kind of have a cool fade on them. On the inside again, this car's got the sport thick Carrera steering wheel. It's got the cocoa mats that have been added to it, which are really cool. All the gauges work. Everything works on this car exactly how it should. It's just really as nice as one gets. Any questions I'm happy to answer on this car. Again, I know this car, the prior owner is a very, very good friend of mine in local Arizona now too as well. Lots of history, lots of cool stuff. Hit us up on the contact sell button. And also if you're interested in 911R selling the car for you, hit us up as well. Thank you very much.